everyone, this is SM Kausar. First open your select browse and after then you search bar menu pixel pixcels.com. Write into the website name, after then go search. When you search this website you find it, after then you register or log in your Google account. When you log in you find 3-dot line top right corner, select home menu. When you select home menu you find this option. You select your intor video, after then go search bar and select this option intor, intor, and select it and click into the search menu. When you search, scroll down, you find this option. There have many intor, and you see and select your intor item and click and open. Top right corner you find this option free downloaded. Click into the your download option and download file. After then go to your video editing software. I select Capcut. You have any other project, select new project and after then you select your intor which you download Pixel Lab. After then you also find top right corner add option. Click add into the your intor. After then if you have any option your edit software, first open text, after then select and write your brand or company name, which is you enter your brand. I select my name, after then go to style. You select any style and any color. I select it, after then you go to animation, which you animation added. Select, after then if you find it, when you select it, after then you will be add your sound or voice. If you have already any voice, select and go to sound option and add sound. You have many sound and select plus icon, select it, after then play this video. You find your sound quality and sound noise. After then you export your video and upload it your Facebook, YouTube and social media platform. Thanks for watching video.